This literature kit on Deafo by Cece Bell provides worksheets for review that allow for analysis of theme, main idea, and vocabulary. 55 pages chocked full of a variety of scaffolding strategies incorporated in our Before You Read worksheets for each chapter section, along with vocabulary prompts to prepare your students for the reading, with rubrics, teacher guide, and author biography. Practice lip reading in pairs and write about your experience. Explain the body language and facial expressions of Cece and Laura during their interaction. Imagine whether Cece would regret not taking the sign language class seriously. Determine events that took place during Mike and Cece's experiment. 6 additional writing tasks follow. Supplement an existing unit with in-depth writing tasks, such as conducting research on closed captioning or subtitles, and determine whether it would have helped Cece in her attempts to watch TV. A word search puzzle and comprehension quiz ends the unit. The easy marking answer key works by lining up perfectly with the matching question pages. 3 color posters, which are graphic organizers, completes the resource. Choose a scene and dissect it using visual, context, and gestural clues. Visit our website to see more novel study guides just like it.